In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade pool noodle slip bobber. The pool noodle slip bobber is very simple and only requires 3 materials to make it. You will need a pool noodle, some zip ties, and some coffee stirrers. Calculating how much it would cost to make each bobber, I estimated I could get 12 bobbers out of this one pool noodle, which would put each section of the pool noodle at 8 cents a pop. Each bobber will need 2 zip ties, which would cost 30 cents, and 1 coffee stir, which would cost less than a cent. So all of that together brings us to a grand total of 39 cents per bobber. For what it would cost you to buy a $3 slip bobber, you can make 7 of these pool noodle bobbers.
Yeah, anyway.
Now to show you guys how to make this thing. Measure and cut your pool noodle to the desired length. I'm going with 5 inches. I encourage you guys to experiment with the length of your bobber. Different rig weights will call for different bobber sizes. This bobber should hold up a 3 to 4 ounce lead weight nicely. Next, take your zip ties and apply them 2/3 to 3/4 of an inch from the edge of the noodle. This pool noodle is a bit tough, so I'm going to use a pair of pliers to ratchet down the zip ties as far as they will go. Tighten one zip tie enough that it creates a hole large enough for the coffee stir to be threaded through the bobber and small enough that it will hold the coffee stir in place. Once the coffee stir is in place, tighten both zip ties down as tight as you can make them. Next, clip off the excess on the zip ties and coffee stir. As you can see, the coffee stir allows me to thread line directly through the center of the bobber and allows the bobber to slide up and down the line. This next step is optional, but you can add super glue to both ends of the coffee stir for extra security. Also, keep the openings of the coffee stir free of glue as it will become clogged. Now I'm going to show you how I rig these things up. My main line is a 45-pound braid, and the first thing I have on it is the bobber stop, followed by a bead, and then the bobber itself. Next, I have a 3-ounce no-roll sinker, followed by another bead. Next is the leader, which starts with the barrel swivel, and then a 30-pound piece of mono, which has a circle hook tied to the end of it. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and check out some of the other videos on our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.